Picture this, you are planning to buy an electric scooter or a car in 11 to 12 months and that money is sitting idle in your bank account as you want to park it somewhere safe. But a savings account isn't cutting it in terms of returns. What can be your next move? Well, you may look at the money market funds, a type of mutual funds designed for short-term stability and liquidity. And by the way, with such low risk, they are currently offering 8% returns per annum. So should you go for money market funds? When can you invest in money market funds? How safe are they really? What kind of returns can they provide? And many such questions will be answered in today's video. Hello and welcome to our channel 5 Minute Finance by ET Money, where we discuss the basics of investing and personal finance. In this video, we'll understand money market funds in detail. So let's get started with the basics. So money market means trading or investing in very short-term debt investments. SEBI defines money market mutual funds as schemes that invest exclusively in money market instruments that come with a maturity of up to 1 year. Money market instruments include commercial papers, commercial bills, treasury bills, government securities with maturity up to 1 year, call or notice money, certificates of deposit and other instruments specified by the RBI. Now for details on the popular money market instruments, you may check the description. We have given the details about these instruments just in case you want better understanding of them. But simply put, the money market helps borrowers like governments, corporations and financial institutions get access to short-term funds. For instance, when a government needs funds for say 1 year, it can issue treasury bills with maturity up to 365 days and raise money from investors. Now, since money market funds invest in short-term instruments, they are low-risk investment choices for investors looking to invest for a short-term period. Remember, shorter the maturity of instruments, the lower the risk. So, money market funds can be a great choice if you need quick access to your money. They are highly liquid and low risk as they invest in high-quality debt instruments regulated by SEBI, which are considered to be safe and carry a low risk of default. Now, coming to who should invest in money market funds. Money market funds are perfect for your near-term goals. Since these instruments mature in up to 1 year, they suit goals that are 1 to 3 years away. Now the goals could be anything like investing for some part of your emergency fund or like paying advance taxes, upgrading your fridge or phone, buying a car, going on a foreign vacation, making down payment of your home, planning for a wedding or any goal that you want to achieve in between 1 year and 3 years. And well, if we look at the current returns offered by these funds, anyone would be attracted. So currently, money market funds on an average have delivered an attractive 7.4% in the last 1 year period. Few funds have delivered as high as close to 8% returns as well. Look at the table on your screens. But that should not be what you should be aiming from money market funds. Money market funds are low risk investment options, but they do not guarantee returns. Now to know how these funds have performed in different time periods, we checked for their annual returns as well. So you can see on your screen how over the years returns have fluctuated, peaking at 7.72% in 2019 and hitting a low of 3.45% in 2021. This happens because returns on money market funds are market linked, meaning they are based on interest rates set by the Reserve Bank of India. Now we won't get into details here on how the interest rate and returns in money market funds work, as it can get too technical for new investors. The thing you should know here is that the returns are not guaranteed and you cannot always expect such high returns of 7 to 8% from these funds. Interest rate changes by the RBI can impact the returns, but what you can instead aim for are slightly higher returns than your bank savings account over 1 to 3 year period. That is why they become suitable for your investments for any goal that lies between 1 year and up to 3 years. Next, let's look at how the profits from money market funds are taxed. So if you have invested after April 1, 2023, any gains made from these funds will be added to your income and taxed according to your slab rate. It doesn't matter how long you hold the investment, it is treated the same. In fact, the taxation is similar to your FDs, bank FDs. The difference lies in the timing of taxation. So in case of bank FDs, you pay taxes every year. Whereas in case of mutual funds, money market funds, you have to pay taxes only at the time of selling your investment. So here you can defer paying taxes. So hope this would have helped you understand about money market funds and whom they are suitable for. So what's your take on these funds? Would you consider them for your goals? Let us know in the comments.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.